Concrete, room 226. They gave us key cards, but you can only enter with a keypad. That's Shayon and Letha. But anyways, they got a full kitchen. They also have pots and pans. I called. They didn't say they had pots and pans, but yeah, they had pots and pans. We use the coffee. So they got a coffee set. They got knives and spoons. Mind you, I bought all this stuff because they said they didn't have it, but they got glasses and stuff. So this is a 2-bedroom. So this is a closet. We got one of the closets. Coats and stuff is in there. This is the bathroom. This is bathroom 1. Bathroom 1. Don't mind. We had a party. The balloons in the bathroom. But they got a shower tub type situation going on right now. So yeah. This is bathroom 1. That's me. I look crazy. But anyways. So yeah. This is door. And then you open the next door to the bedroom. Yo! This is bed number 2. This is bedroom number 2. Yo, y'all are annoying. This is bedroom number 2. They stuff is still in here and whatnot. But look at the pool. We did go in the pool though. It's heated. They got a heated pool, a heated jacuzzi and whatnot. So yeah, this is bedroom number 2. Cause my bedroom is bedroom number 1. But anyways, y'all still laughing, they silly. This is their closet. They said it was twin beds. This is not twin beds. It's probably extra large. I'm not even sure what size, but I'll leave the details in below. But anyways, this is a pull-out couch right here. This is the living room, the fire. And then this is the TV that we did not watch because we could not find a remote. This is the only TV with the flat screen. So yeah, this is bedroom number 1.
Oh, hey, Cribs. TV Cribs.
Yo, I cannot stand them. This is bedroom number 1. This is the bedroom I was sleeping in and whatnot. They laughing because they are so silly. So yeah, this is bedroom number 1. So this is our closet and whatnot right here. So yeah. Which light is which? I don't know which light. Yo.
Since I'm in up the time. Come on,
they are so silly. This is a his and her sink. Yo, my friends are silly. This is his and her sink. They got a tub and then they got their own. We got our own shower. It's separate. But anyways, so yeah, this is the apartment. But it was cute. And this leads into where everybody else is at.
They deleted my Instagram. Oh. They deleted my Instagram.
So this is the patio. Say hi.
Hey.
MTV.
MTV Cribs.
Yup.
Did you go into the fridge? Ain't nothing in there.
I did not go into the fridge.
Ain't nothing in nobody's fridge or MTV Cribs. But we got a pool though.
We sure do. And this is the ski resort. This is so cute. I went skiing yesterday.
Oh, yeah, that was funny.
But they got different slopes. This is 1 slope right here. This is 2, and then this is 3.
Over there, you see that? 1 guy on it. Only 1.
Right by himself.
I don't see.
You don't see him?
So yeah, that's it. That's our room tour.
See our house. Now get out.